Northwest e na le bomasepala ba 22 mme haula le mong ya fumaneng tekolo e hlwekileng ya dibuka tsa ditjhelete moraorao tjena.
There is so much investment made into producing financial reports. Either they come in the form of people that are in finance units. In addition to that, there are consultants. In addition to that, you'll find that either Cocktail or Treasurer will also provide support through experts or consultants.
Masepala wa Ditsobotla ke e mong wa bomasepala ba hulang ka tlhako tsa morao.
The vehicle that we have taken over in November 2021, it has an engine problems. And the Auditor General says you cannot use this vehicle to arrive to your destination.
Balekgotla ba kgothaletswa ho tsepamisa maikutlo tshebetsong ya bona.
The post-audit action plan, you adopt it in council. And it's a commitment that you made as councillors that you are going to improve the audit outcomes.
SALGA e ipileditse ho balekgotla hore ba se phethahatse ditabatabelo tsa bona, fela ba phethe thumo ya baahi.